All right, my beautiful people, the time has come for Barbie. Hi, Barbie. Hi, Ken. This is the OPI Barbie collection, as you guys can see by the caps. You're gonna hear sounds of Diesel in the background. Like right now, he's scratching. I don't know if that's coming through. He might yawn or bark or whatever. So he's keeping us company today because it's raining outside and we have him indoor. I want to say thanks to the OPI team for sending these to me for review. Actually, they just send it as PR. They don't really care what we do, but I asked you on my Instagram and you guys said you wanted to see it, even though I'm late. So let's get into them. All right, first up we have Hi Ken. This one feels to me like a pastel yellow that has chartreuse undertones. You cannot deny that there's chartreuse in this. It's not just a yellow and it's fantastic. The formula is very, very good, especially for a yellow. It was even and opaque and perfect for me at 2 coats. Usually yellows need 3. So OPI did a fantastic job with this one and I love that it has the chartreuse undertones. Very, very nice. It's self-level nicely. Next we have My Job is Beach, and I have a problem saying that word. Now I have to say this was fantastic. I think this at my current nail length is a 1 coater, at most 2. Perfect formula. OPI did a fantastic job with this blue. I am very, very, very happy with it. As you can see, it's one of my favorites here. Up next, we have Yay Space, and this one is a very pretty jelly base with a bunch of shimmers. Super, super cute. At 2 coats, you can still see nail line. I think you're probably still gonna see nail line at 3. It's not meant to be opaque. It's meant to be a jelly base with shimmer details, and you can use that as a topper as well. Really, really cute. Formula was good. No complaints whatsoever about this one. All right, up next we have Every Night is Girls' Night, and this one when you see it off focus it looks so gorgeous, right? It looks like fantastic glitter. The problem with it for me is that the base is kind of a pearly thing. It's like a pearl base with glitter, and every time you have this combination, I'm not a fan, I have to say. I'm not a fan. I think it looks kind of weird on the nail, but anyways, I don't think it's meant to be opaque, so you are gonna see some nail line. Maybe this will be cuter on top of other cream polishes, I don't know. But pearly bases with glitter in them, it's not a combination that should happen. I think the glitters on top of the pearly base kind of make it look chunky in a weird way, and I'm not a fan of this one. Up next we have something that I'm not gonna dare to say. I'm gonna put it in the corner, and this one is a beautiful, beautiful near white pink. You guys love these colors, so do I, and this is a very good formula actually. It was even an opaque for me at 2 coats. Now I think if you have longer nails or ridges that are too pronounced, you might need 3. I think I did a regular thin coat and then a float on the second, a little bit light float on the second coat, and it was perfect for me. But keep in mind that you might need 3 depending on the state of your nails and the length and all of that. Now it was easy to work with. It self-leveled nicely. I have no complaints about it whatsoever. I think they did a great job with this polish. All right, up next we have Best Day Ever, and this one is a pink pearly base with glitter. Again, pearl and glitter together, it gives a texture and something that I just don't like it, but that's just me personally, okay? The formula was good, it applied nicely, I had no issues whatsoever with the application. Just, again, pearl and glitter is just not a combination that I like at all. And I think, honestly, there's 9 polishes in this collection and we have 2 of these. Maybe we could have, been better off with like a bold color, like the yellow or the blue or the pink that you're gonna see up next, which were fantastic. I think this little like pearly glittery toppers are kind of like, come on, 1, okay. 2, it's too many, but that's me. Up next we have Feel the Magic, and this one is a very good pink, I have to say. They did a good job. It's a solid 2-coater, beautiful pink. It goes with the Barbie theme. It was very easy to work with, self-leveled nicely. I have nothing negative to say about this polish. I think they did a good job. You're gonna be happy with this one. All right, up next we have Hi Barbie, and this is the perfect Barbie pink in both name and color and formula and everything. This was a 1-coater. I don't see, well, I don't know. I was gonna say, I don't see how you would need 2 coats, but maybe longer nails or whatever. But it's so easy to work with. It self-levels beautifully. It's just perfect. It's the perfect Barbie pink in both color and name. Like, it's called Hi Barbie. If you can get your hands on this and you like these types of pinks, you're gonna love it. Love it, love it. All right, up next we have Welcome to Barbie Land. And this one, I actually got opacity in 2 coats, but it is a sheer jelly base. So I was kind of surprised. I don't know, maybe my nails are too short. And if you have longer nails, you're gonna need 3. I'm kind of debating actually if I like this color or not. In the bottle, I was like, I don't like it. But then when I saw it on my nail, I kind of did like it. So I don't know. And it also surprised me because it was super sheer on the first coat and it built up opacity very nicely on the second. So I think if you have like super long nails or your nail line is strong, maybe you'll need 3, but maybe not. I don't know. The formula was good. I had no issues with it whatsoever. I'm just debating whether I like the color or not, which is personal. You know, it's personal to me, but the formula and the quality is very good. All right, here are my favorites. This is no surprise, okay? And these are my least favorites. I don't know. When it comes to finishes, look, they have to be good for me to be like, yes, you deserve the spot of a cream. I'm sorry. If the finish is kind of like, I'm like, I wish I would have had a solid color that was fantastic, okay? Barbie has so many colors and so many things they could go for that it's like if you waste 2 spots on pearly glitters, I'm gonna have a problem with it. And then I guess these are okay. These are okay. If we would have had these and then these 2 replaced by solid colors, I would have said 10 out of 10. But I have to say, it's a good collection. I know a lot of people do like these. So this is just personal to me. The quality in all of them was great, which is a breath of fresh air because you guys know lately I haven't had the best luck with OPI formulas. I don't know why, but I have to say they redeemed themselves. I really like the quality in all of these. So if you like any of them, you're not gonna have any problem. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for coming to my review and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.